Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Travel with Bree. I'm Bree, I'm 34 years old, I live in the United States, and I'm very excited to be starting this channel. I'm somebody who developed a love of travel, and over the years I've been fortunate enough to visit incredible cities like Tokyo, Osaka, Paris, London, and Seoul, as well as beautiful places right here in the United States. Traveling is a big part of my life, and maybe it's something that you're interested in too. I decided to start this channel because, yes, I love travel, but I also love watching YouTube. And I follow a lot of travel YouTubers. Everyone is going different places and trying new things, and we'll do that too, don't get me wrong. But in some cases, I do feel like we've forgotten an important part. I think we've skipped to the good stuff, and we've forgotten that some people have maybe never even flown before. They've never had to purchase a flight and then check a bag and go through TSA and then traverse an unfamiliar airport. And there are so many other stressful things that we sometimes gloss over. So I'd like to fill those gaps. I want everyone to be as well informed as possible. I want anyone who has any questions to be able to reach out with no concern of being judged or looked down on. This can be a place where we all learn together, because even though I do have experience, I still make mistakes. So I'm going to be taking you with me on some of my upcoming journeys, and that way we can all continue to learn together. Speaking of journeys, up next, Tokyo. Yes, I am heading back to Tokyo, but this time I'm taking you with me. I have a ton of regard for Japan. It was at the top of my bucket list for so many years, and when I finally did get to go, it did not disappoint. I'll talk more about my past trip to Japan in later videos, and like I said, I'll be taking you along with me this time around. Going forward, you can expect to see videos on everything from packing to navigating an airport, getting SIM cards, exchanging currency, and even how to navigate a public transit system in a different country. I'll be covering it all. And of course, I'll be sharing my experiences. As you can probably tell, I'm a Black woman, so I'll be discussing how that affects my experience in certain places. For example, someone did reach out and touch my hair in South Korea. So we'll talk about that in a later video. And I am a foodie, so we will eat a lot. And of course, just immersing ourselves in the different cultures. My goal is to help you feel more confident as you go out and explore the world on your own, so stay tuned for a channel filled with travel advice and adventure. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.